Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do an introduction to your YouTube channel. So let's begin. And so in order for you to do similar like this, what you can do, it's really straightforward and really simple. So first things first, you go to your channel, go to your YouTube studio. So once you're here, you can actually go to settings option, then go to your channel. So from this channel in basic tab info, you do have this customize channel. Go in here. Then from here you can put some details. So first things first, to do the introduction, it's really simple and really straightforward. From here you can choose what video you want to play. So if you add content, then it will select your videos from here. So let me explain how these things work. Let me just close this first. Go to my videos, and just now I did some editing on my videos. Alright, so basically I've done this. As you can see, if I go on the description below, I add this information. So this will kick your information from here. Alright, so about is actually a different story versus your homepage, right? So this is the most important. You need to put a description on your video, which video you want to upload as introduction. So basically here, if I go back and select this introduction video, it will automatically capture my description on the video itself. So basically it will appear uh, to my intro what description I have into this video based on this description, right? So that's the most important key you need to do. So let me just, yep. So from here, it's a for my best practice, because when the user open this, or um friends or some new users open your page, it will look like this. So basic stuff actually I just include here. So in this case I will change my title. So let me just amend this. Travel and food. Right, so here I can just put welcome to my channel. Then I'll just put description like this. So in that way they can actually see this as my title as bold, and my description, which is what inside of my contents on this channel. So let me just save this. Then once I've saved this, automatically this will update as well. If I do refresh, find the content again, welcome to my channel, save this, then save. Yep, channel. So it will actually show what you have here as well, which is this is the way you want. So the next thing is you click about. So this you can actually describe the entire thing about your channel. So add description here. So I've done my description actually, and I'll just copy my yep. So I can do like this. Then from here you can add actually the description, the link if you have the YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. You can just add here. So this link will automatically appear on this part, this two. So the maximum you can put links is actually total of 5, but since I do have only 2, so I'll just add 2 here. Once everything was complete, then just click done. Then that's it. So basically when you play the video, it will automatically show there what you have. So let me just try to re-add the video again because I cannot see it. Intro, welcome to my channel, save, done. Right, so yep. So when I go to this, let me try to refresh, and it'll look like this. Right. So about, you will see here my about, regarding my about, but let me double check again if I managed to save. Just copy this, then save. Then once everything was fine, then done. Okay, so let me go back here and just refresh. There we go. So yeah, again, what I can tip for this, right? Just try to minimize as much as possible information here, but in or about, just try to tackle everything you have in your page. So yep, the link will automatically show here as well. And the best part here, when the video ends, there is a subscription button also here for them to easily subscribe your channel as well, or to remind to subscribe to your channel. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial helps, and thanks for watching.